am I hungry. In fact, I'm famished. Nothing, not a crumb. Boy, old Mother Hubbard had nothing on me. I wonder. La 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 la. It's Mrs. Meanie. She must have flipped.
Oh, hello, Woodrow.
Hello, ding-a-ling. What's with all the tra-la-las?
Oh, it's such a nice day. I thought I'd go visit my grandmother.
Yeah? What's in the basket?
Pizza.
Pizza?
Yeah, Grandma just loves pizza. Bye now. I'm off to see my grandma. Tra-la-la-la-la-la.
Oh, boy, I'm hungry for pizza. I'll take a shortcut through the woods and get to Grandma's house first.
Well, bless my soul. It's Woodpecker. I've seen you on TV.
Quick, Granny, run for the hills. The dam is breaking.
Sheesh. La 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 la. Hey, Minnie, did you hear the news? Granny, what are you doing up there? Run for your life, Minnie. The dam's broken. Who told you that? Woody Woodpecker told me. So that's his little scheme, trying to pull the old Red Riding Hood trick. Well, I'll fix that moocher. Hey, Granny, you want your pizza now? No, I left home so fast I forgot my teeth. Screwball. Now I'll go take care of that sneaky little woodpecker.
She should be here any minute. Come in.
Hello, Grandmother. How are you?
Well, I'm kind of hungry.
My, what big eyes you have.
Yeah, the better to... Ow! Don't do that!
And my, what funny feet you have. They look like woodpecker feet.
Is that a nice way to talk about your grandmother? Did you bring me a pizza?
And how did you know I had pizzas?
Oh, I could smell them.
My, what a big nose you have. Red hot pepper. Here's your pizza, Grandma.
Water! Give me water!
Red hot sauce. Here's a drink.
No, Mrs. Meanie. I was just having fun.
Now I'm gonna have some fun. Shucks, that little fella must have been mistaken. Dam ain't broken. I'm going back home. Now where is he hiding? Land sakes. Climbing telephone poles is very tiring when you're 89 years old. Uh-oh, he's back in bed. Stop it! Oh, I'm sorry, Granny. I thought you were that woodpecker. Well, why would you want to beat him? I've seen him on TV. Oh, yeah? Well, he's a rascal. And when I catch him, I'm gonna... Oh, ow, 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 ow! Land sakes. A body can get more rest on the telephone pole. Uh-oh, he's hiding in the cedar chest. I'll get a rope and tie it up.
Hey, Granny, the Yankees are coming. Quick, hide in the chest.
Ah! Yankees! Well, goodbye, Woodpecker.
Goodbye.
Huh? You? Who's in that